In this video, I'll show you how to add an indicator to a chart in TradingView. First, sign in to your TradingView account and open the chart of the market you want to analyze. You can select any stock, cryptocurrency, forex pair, or other asset before adding your indicator. Next, look at the toolbar above the chart and click the Indicators button. A library containing hundreds of built-in and community-created indicators will appear. You can browse through the available categories or use the search bar to quickly find a specific indicator, such as moving average, RSI, MACD, or Bollinger Bands. After that, click on the indicator you want to use. It will immediately appear on your chart. Some indicators are displayed directly over the price chart, while others open in a separate panel below the chart. Take a moment to review the indicator and see how it interacts with your market data before making any adjustments. Now, hover over the indicator's name on the chart and click the settings icon. From there, you can customize options such as the calculation period, colors, line thickness, and display style. Apply the changes and continue adjusting the settings until the indicator matches your preferred trading setup. If you use multiple indicators together, make sure they don't clutter the chart and remain easy to read. Finally, save your chart layout so your indicator settings are preserved for future sessions. This way, every time you open the chart, your indicators and custom configuration will already be in place, helping you analyze the market more efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add an indicator to a chart in TradingView. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.